In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Zoho Vault work. Zoho Vault is a secure, cloud-based password manager designed to centralize, encrypt, and share passwords, passkeys, and other digital secrets for individuals and teams. Think of it as your organization's lockbox where sensitive information is stored in one place, protected by strong security, and easily shared with the right people when needed. To get started, you create a master password. This is the key to your entire vault, and it's never stored on Zoho's servers. That means only you know it, and only you can unlock your data. Take a moment to choose a long, memorable passphrase that you won't reuse anywhere else. Once your master password is set, you'll sign in and manage everything from your personal or team vault, knowing that your access is controlled by that one strong secret. Inside the vault, you can securely store logins, notes, and even documents, then organize them into folders that match how you work. Keep project credentials together, separate personal and team items, and add helpful labels so you can find what you need fast. The goal is to make it simple to store once and retrieve quickly, without scattering sensitive data across spreadsheets or inboxes. Sharing is where Zoho Vault really helps teams. You can give teammates access to specific passwords or folders with precise permission levels. One-click login only means they can sign in to an app without ever seeing the password. View lets them see the secret if needed. Modify allows updates and manage grants full control, including sharing with others. This fine-grained control keeps the right people empowered and reduces the risk of oversharing. Behind the scenes, robust encryption protects everything you store. Your data is encrypted so that it remains confidential at rest and in transit. Combined with your master password, this design helps ensure only authorized users can access the contents of the vault. For visibility and accountability, Zoho Vault offers a comprehensive audit trail. You can see who accessed, which account and when, and track actions like views, modifications, or shares. These reports help with compliance, incident investigation, and routine oversight. Finally, additional security features strengthen your setup. You can require multi-factor authentication for users, restrict sign-ins by IP address to trusted networks, and use breach monitoring to identify weak or exposed passwords and improve their strength promptly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.